Okay, this is another experiment with osmosis. Now in this we will test the same, that is absorption and losing of water. Now what we have already made here is, this is called as potato osmoscope. Okay, it is a potato osmoscope. We have removed some mass from the potato using a borer, or we can even use this. So the next procedure is, in this we'll be adding some amount of water. Okay, in this both we will be adding some amount of water, and we will mark it with pins, and in this we will one we will add hypertonic solution, and in other we will use hypotonic solution. Hypertonic solution is highly concentrated solution, and this will be less concentrated solution. So depending on hypertonic or hypotonic, now we have already seen in hypertonic what happens. The water from this potato which is there will enter inside, so the water level in this will decrease, whereas in hypotonic the water level will increase. Now the increase and decrease in level will be checked with the help of these pins. Okay, sugar solution. Okay, so this is the hypertonic. Okay. And second one, hypotonic.
Water.
Yeah, water. In second we'll put hypotonic. Okay. Okay. Now put some water in this, little. Okay. Okay. Now we'll mark this level. तो પછી એ લેવલ આ ટોપ થી લેવલ કયા તો water level here. Okay. So at the water level we have to put a pin like this. Okay, see. Okay, so this will tell you the water level. Okay, similarly in the other one also we will mark it with pin. Check the water level. Exactly at the level we have to mark the pin. Like this, and then we will place it in this solution and the other one in another. Okay. Now for exam you won't be told like which one is hypertonic and which one is hypotonic. Based on the change in the level of water, we will come to know which is hypertonic and which is hypotonic. Okay. So let us mark this as solution A and this as solution B, and after the 2 hours we'll check the level in water whether it has increased or decreased. This pin you can see the marking, and similarly in this you can see the pin, and based on the level we'll come to know which type of solution is there in this and the other. Now what will happen if the water is taken in, that means endo-osmosis will take place. If the level increase, that means the water is coming from outside the crucible, it enters inside, so there will be endo-osmosis. And if the water is lost, the water level decrease, that means water from here is going out. And what is osmosis? Osmosis is movement of water molecules from higher concentration to lower concentration. Now whether it is endo-osmosis or exosmosis, that will depend on the tonicity of the liquid used in the crucible. Now as we all know, there are 3 types of solutions. One is hypertonic, the other one is hypotonic, and the third one is isotonic. In this experiment we have to find out which type of solution is solution A and which type of solution is solution B. We are only using hypertonic and hypotonic, we are not using isotonic. So we have to just find which type of solution is given in solution A and which type of solution is given in solution B based on the osmosis process. And the structure which is made here using potato is called as potato osmoscope. Okay, so after 2 hours we will take the reading